All right, y'all, we are live on this absolutely beautiful Thursday afternoon. I think we're live. I'm going to double check. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah. I do pray everybody watching and listening are super blessed. Guys, is Bitcoin about to get a big old pump? It very well may. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to Altan. Shout out to Mark. Shout out to Ben. What is going on? Let's see if we can get 1,500 likes. If we can get 1,500 likes, we will absolutely be doing a $1,000 giveaway. Shout out to Ultimate Finish. He says 15-minute bull div. Shout out to Rob Bonar holding it down with a wrench. My man, what is going on, bro? What is going on? Shout out to B-Matic. Shout out to Splashfire Films. Shout out to Swippo. He says, yo. Shout out to It's Men K. He says, dump it. And Hodl Crypto says, I love Jesus. I also love Jesus. Shout out to Ignite. What is going on? Ivan Two Gun. What is going on, my bro? Glad to see you guys here. As usual, guys, we are walking and trading. Walking and trading, you know? Can't go wrong. Getting those steps in, if you know what I'm saying. Shout out to Honda Man. He says, yo. Loving this new setting. I feel like walking has you hyped. Yeah, man, it has me hyped. You know what I'm saying? I could walk, you know, with the beat. You know what I'm saying? But actually, I can't really walk with the beat. The treadmill's a little too slow. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah. Trading Bitcoin, feeling the beat. Making gains while I'm moving, man, walking on my feet. Shout out to Jay Armo up in the chat. Still walking, of course, man. Take it all back. Shout out to Robert Bonar with the wrench. Everybody's doing it. He's my main wench. Shout out to Big Nick. God bless you, Jason. That's what I'm doing. I'm trading in the basement. Down. Oh, the beat's over. All right. Shout out to Farley. What is going on? What video games do I don't play video games, man. Come on. I don't play video games. Shout out to Jay Schlongen. Shout out to Flip the Whip in the chat. He says, I just got banned. Just got banned. Shout out to Pedro, my man. Shout out to Zeno Pater. What's up, Zeno Pater? What's going on, man? All right. Shout out to Buck. What is going on, Buck? Sorry, Robert, man. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Wench is a good word where I come from, my friend. Wench. What is a wench? I actually don't even know. I don't even know. It just came to mind, all right? All right. Shout out to News Cryptos. All right. Yo, bet I pee again during the stream. I peed right before the stream, my man. But hey, I was outside all day harvesting beets in the garden. You know what I'm saying? So, shout out to Chris Higgins is about to hit a heavy squat. Let's go. Get those heavy squats in, man. Get those heavy squats in. Bitcoin, guys. Trading the sideways range as usual. Trading the sideways range as usual. Nothing too crazy to see here. Nothing too crazy to see here on Bitcoin. Swing longs, guys, still open. Scalp long, guys, from the level we were waiting for in the Casper Crew VIP Discord for a very long time. We were looking for that 29,884 daily level with the bullish divergence on Market Cipher B. And we were forming that bullish divergence, guys. The good old-fashioned Sam Bankman-Fried man breast pattern, if you know what I'm saying. And so we've gotten a move to the upside. Now, here's a few things we need to be aware of. First of all, we need to be aware of this, right? We are indeed still trading in this symmetrical triangle. Some people call it a bull flag. If we take a look over here from a higher term time frame, we could see that indeed, well, this thing is a bull flag, right? This thing is a bull flag. It looks like a bull flag. And depending on where we take our flagpole from, we might have a pretty high target, right? Our target might be coming up right to around $36,000 of this bull flag, right? Why is that so important? Right? Why is that so important? Well, the reason why that's so important, guys, is because $36,000 is none other than the 386 Fibonacci from the high we put in November 2021. Do you remember November 2021? I do. I remember it like it was yesterday. I remember when we hit this high, I was looking for a short from higher. I said, you know what? I've got to take my truck to the dealership to get some work done, right? Because I don't really know how to fix my own truck, right? I'll be honest with you guys, you know? So I left. And on the way, alerts were firing off that Bitcoin was dumping. I had to pull over. And I thought to myself, man, we're dumping. Can't wait until we come back so I can get a big short in from 70K. Still waiting. Still at the car dealership. Still haven't come home. Still sitting there in the car dealership. Set up a green screen and everything. So the 382 Fibonacci, 36K, that's the target, guys, of our bull flag. Okay? Very, very interesting. In addition, 36K is the target of our inverted head and shoulders pattern right here. So if we do get a clean break, all right, a clean break to the upside, I do believe we are going to get gravitated, sucked like a straw in a thick smoothie or a milkshake from White Castle. Okay, if anybody's familiar with milkshakes from White Castle, it's basically soft serve ice cream in a cup with a tiny little straw. But once you get the suction flowing, it's impossible to stop that shake. That's what's going to happen when we come up here to 36K. We have no resistance above us until we get to that level. All right. But on the other side of that Bitcoin, guys, if we break down, oh my goodness, if we start to break down from here, guys, well, then we have to be aware of a major dumpage, all right? Because here's the thing. Fast move up equals fast move down. And if we take a look at all the volume that has traded here, all right, let's take a look at it, right? It becomes abundantly clear that if we are going to come down back into the range value area, all right, if we're going to lose this key level of around $29,000, it was a fast move up, guys. It could be a very fast move back down. Smooth move. Like the time you went out partying with your friends in college, had a few too many beers. Afterwards, you decided it would be a good idea to go to Taco Bell and eat 4 chalupas. Do you remember the smooth move down that happened the next morning? This is hyped up on cheap beer and fast food, all right? So if we come back inside the value area, there's no stopping the dropping. And if we pull a fib from the low to the high, right? If we pull a fib from the low to the high, we can see that our major support is actually going to be coming in at around, well, let's take a look. Let's take a look at the volume of this uptrend, right? We've got the high volume node, the golden pocket, and the value area low of the macro range right around 26.5 thousand. So to me, this is a real make it or break it level, guys. Now here's the thing that scares me a little bit, all right? Shout out to everybody who liked the video, by the way. God bless you all, all right? And shout out to everyone who disliked the video. All 2 of you, I see you guys. God bless you too. And do yourself a favor, hit that dislike button again, and then go check out some other crypto YouTubers out there. Definitely way better than me. I'm one of the worst. When we take a look at our 4 hour, it becomes a little bit scary to realize that we put in a 4 hour bearish divergence, right? 4 hour bearish divergence, and money flow is continuing to come down. Now, I'm not considering this super bearish unless we actually start to put in another drive of bearish divergence on the 4-hour with the money flow continuing to come down. If we see this, all right, colloquially known as the upside down Sam Bankman-Fried bearish man boot pattern. If we see that, guys, I'm out, right? I'm out of my longs. I'll be running through the jungle like Janet Yellen with a laundry basket on my head. I'm gonna leave the country, change my gender, become a woman, then become a man again, grow my beard, shave it off. Because Bitcoin is probably gonna dump, all right? Bitcoin is probably gonna dump. So those are the main things I'm keeping my eyes on right now, guys. Now here's something else we need to be aware of. Locally, right? Locally, this could be a significant bottom, right? Where we're long from right now, this could be a significant bottom. Why? Why? Well, it's because technically speaking, guys, if you want to get technical, right, we have basically come down to the low of this local range. We could look at this as a range. Of course, I'm looking at this as the absolutely low of the range, but we could look at this as the low of the range. And when we take a look at the 1-hour time frame, and the 1 hour is a pretty good time frame to be trading, we do see that when we came in to put in this bottom, we got multiple drive of bullish divergence, right? Watch this. We take a trend line from the lows beginning Sunday, June 25th, down to the low that we made yesterday, Wednesday, June 28th, my 9-year anniversary with my wife. Shout out to my wife, Big Butts 28. I love you, Big Butts. Multiple drives of bullish divergence here, right? In addition, look at this. Like, this entire thing is a bullish div, but also this is a bullish div right here, right? We've got very clearly, as the price is getting lower, right? As the price is getting lower, we have a very big momentum wave and then a very skinny momentum wave, right? Looking just like the butt cheeks of our good friend Dolores, right? She's coming out there, hey, Jason, get over here. She talks like this with the Brooklyn accent. She's got a raspy voice. Jason, get over here. You're looking kind of skinny, Jason. You're losing weight. You're losing weight, Jason? Here, have some pancakes. She's spilling the coffee because she can't walk straight with the uneven butt cheeks. She's spilling the coffee on the floor. I don't care. Why don't I care? Because I know when I see the cheeks, baby, when the price is coming down to the key level of support, look at these purple and blue candlesticks, right? Boom, hit the cheeks, off to the races, baby. That's what I'm talking about. All right, so this could be a bottom, all right? As only time will tell. Only time will tell. We're in the apex of this triangle, which essentially means, guys, when this thing breaks, I do believe we're gonna have some big follow through. I really do. Market Cipher B is primed, showing us that a big move is coming. Money flow coming down, money flow coming up. It's primed, all right? Now, there is a chance this was a significant bottom because we got the bullish divergences down here. I am also potentially looking for a bounce if we drop lower from the value area low of the range, right? Around 30,150-ish. The reason why is because whenever you see a bottom, a significant bottom, what makes a bottom significant? This, all right? Even more so, if you see this. What am I talking about? I'm talking about Market Cipher B, the money flow getting higher as the price is getting lower, the momentum wave is getting higher as the price is getting lower. When you see that and price gets a bounce, this tells you, okay, significant bottom. So I need to be looking for a potential retrace, right? And then I can look to long a higher low in keeping with what, in my opinion, is a macro bottom signal. And the place I always like to look is going to be the areas of confluence, right? We got some nice confluence right down here, all right? Got some nice confluence right here. We're looking for a bounce right from the golden pocket. So that's kind of what I'm looking at now. If we start to pump, I'm really hoping, guys, I can hold some of these trades right now, right? I'm pretty exposed to the market right now. I've got about 3, 4, 5, 5.5 Bitcoin in longs right now. 5.5 Bitcoin in longs. What's that? What's 5 times 3? That's 150K. Got about 150K on the long side right now. A little bit more than that, okay? 165K on the long side right now. So I am hoping we do get the pump. All right. Shout out to everybody in chat. Shout out to Iki Alendu, my man. Bro, what is going on, Iki? An OG, my man. It's Iki Weekly time, bro. What is going on, man? God bless you, Iki Weekly. I appreciate you, my bro. I appreciate you. If anyone remembers Iki Weekly, put a 1 in the chat right now. Put a 1 in the chat. Yeah, Iki, man, what is going on? What is going on? It's Iki Weekly time. All right, well, yeah, we'll take a look at we'll take a look. Shout out to Kobus. What's going on, bro? God bless you, man. Shout out to Singularity for the super chat. Can you look at Bitcoin Cash? Yeah, we'll take a look at Bitcoin Cash, guys. We'll take a look at Bitcoin Cash. Let's do it right now. We'll take a look at it on Coinbase. I don't really trade Bitcoin Cash, unfortunately. Unfortunately, I know. Bitcoin Cash is the real Bitcoin, apparently. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? All right, guys. Shout out to Iki. Iki Alendu, what is going on, man? All right, Iki, man, some people remember you, bro. Some people remember you. This is some OG. This is some OG Jason Casper stuff, man. All right, cool. Let's take a look at Bitcoin Cash. Wow. All right, we're gonna start on the weekly time frame. Blank charting Bitcoin Cash here. What was this? What the heck was that? You guys see that gap? Wow. All right. All right, so apparently this is a very important low here. It's going to be a key level right here. Boom, key level, baby. That's what I'm talking about. All right, now let's check out this. Oh, wow. All right. We're going to have to go on log scale for this one, guys. Ooh. Oh. Oh. All right. All right, this is key resistance right here, man. Wow. Wow. Okay, so boom, we got a support resistance flip. We got golden pocket. This is coming in at 260. I would say 259. 259 is going to be key, all right? Key resistance. All right, so, man, would you look at that, guys? It's crazy. We've got the point of control, the golden pocket, and a key support resistance flip at around 259. Wow. All right, let's take a look at the volume of the old range. Let's go to the daily time frame. Check it out. right? Sheesh. Wow. Man, this is wild. This is absolutely insane. Okay. All right, guys. So, right now, the most important levels are going to be 259, major resistance, major support, 155 to 162. All right. That's major support. When things go parabolic like this, a lot of times we don't get to come down to key support, which basically means you have to FOMO, right? That's basically what that means. We'll take a look at some lower time frame stuff as well. And then obviously 135 is going to be a very key support resistance flip, the value area high retest. But I would say this, okay? If Bitcoin Cash does anything like Bitcoin does, this could be a very key, this will be a very key zone, right? A very key zone. Bitcoin came down to retest the support resistance flip. We are coming to the highs of a range, right? We've got these highs. We could technically come to grab this liquidity here. Have we already taken that? Wow. 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 No, not yet. Okay. I thought we tapped that to the dollar. Very close. Very close. I would be looking for, honestly, a move up to the first green box of resistance. I think we can come up a little bit higher. We have massive resistance above us. Just so many confluences. It's a high volume node, a golden pocket. It's a value area low. It's a key support resistance flip going all the way back to April 2022. I would look for a major pullback from this area and then look for a long trade. That's the way I would personally play this. On a high term time frame, I would love to see something like this. That would be like too good to be true though, guys. That's the thing. That would be too good to be Trudeau, like Justin Trudeau. You know that girl up in Canada, daughter of Fidel Castro? It would be too good to be Trudeau. And let's see if we can't zoom in to get some lower term time frame stuff here. Man, 4 hour looks bullish as heck. 4 hour looks bullish as heck, right? So let's just see, okay? If we can't find a local, yeah, I'd say 159 would be a gift. 159 would be a gift. Let's go down to the 1 hour. So here's the thing, right? All this liquidity here is just kind of begging to get taken out. I really like 159. I would love to see a drop down, right? We've got kind of this, let's turn this off log real quick. You could make the case that we've got some kind of a rising wedge here, right? You could make that case. And let's say that the rising wedge does make it up to, that would be a long time. I mean, we're talking Sunday. It would take until Sunday for it to get to that level if we stay in this wedge. Who knows? Maybe we will just trade sideways for a long time, right? Let's kind of see what's going on here. Man. That would take us right down to value area low. Man. It looks bullish to me, guys. And here's the thing. There's too many unknown variables yet to give a local trade setup. But I can definitely give a swing trade setup, which is this. If we come down to 159 and we're getting some kind of tight trigger wave on the 4 hour, that would be very bullish. The money flow is continuing to get thicker here, which means when we get that trigger wave, it could be pretty dang juicy. And if we get bullish divergences on the 1 hour or something like that, that would be super, super dang juicy, right? So 159, key support, key resistance right now is going to be 259. Be looking for a pullback from around 260 if we continue to the upside. If we are going to get a pullback, right? If we're going to get a pullback, I don't believe, because it's so bullish, that we might be able to come all the way back down here, right? We see this happen a lot of times with like ETH and like other altcoins that just pump like crazy. So we're going to have to look for like a local entry, right? So I would be pulling like local fibs, and let's say we do reject from like 259, just look for like a local entry or something. But this is a very bullish kind of corn right now, very bullish corn, an altcoin, Bitcoin Cash, right? The real Bitcoin. I remember when the fork happened. Do you guys remember when that happened? I think I had at the time. I was holding quite a bit of Bitcoin. This is before I sold, I think. Was it before I sold? I don't remember. But I remember I had quite a bit of Bitcoin, and I had the same amount of Bitcoin Cash. And I sold all my Bitcoin Cash immediately. All right? Didn't even think twice about it. Shout out to Aaron G. What's going on, my man? All right. We got some chat spammers in here. Shout out to Buddy Poppins. Shout out to Weedcoin in the chat. Shout out to Booper Duper. Yeah, that 4 hour money flow is impressive for Bitcoin Cash, man. That is really impressive. That is impressive, man. Sheesh. That is impressive. YFI. All right, let's check out YFI. I remember trading that back in like summer of 2020 during DeFi season. You guys remember that? Remember DeFi season? Back in summer 2020? I remember that like it was yesterday, man. Trading on Binance Futures back then. So let's check it out. All right, so I'll tell you the first thing I actually, this is super interesting. This is very, very, very interesting. This is an interesting coin, guys. I like what I see. First of all, on the weekly, you guys see what I'm seeing? Are you picking up what I'm putting down here? Now, what I'm really looking at, not just this triangle, guys, but I'm looking at Market Cipher B. Look at this. We got ourselves, as the price is getting lower, momentum, money flow, getting higher. Our good friend, right here, Sam Bankman-Fried with the breasticles, the chesty breasties, getting a little restless. Getting a little restless. Yeah, that's looking good. It's looking good. That's a very, very bullish sign, guys. All right, so with that being said, let's mark out some key levels because I'm actually getting stoked on this right now. Much more stoked than Bitcoin Cash because Bitcoin Cash is just out of control. We need to catch coins when they're still in control. All right, cool. Let's pull some fibs. All right. And let's pull some other fibs here. Oh man. Looking good. Looking good, actually, yeah. All right, guys. So my initial thought on this, right? Okay. I would have preferred to basically take out all this and come up to the daily order block for a rejection. That would have been a much nicer looking high, right? Because what we're looking for when we're looking at nice bottoms, we're not just looking to see how tight the jeans fit here, how much money's in the right pocket. We're not just comparing the guy wearing the tux with the cigar or the guy over here smoking a regular cigarette, right? Shout out to Robopotamus for the super chat. Yeah, we could look at Doge. We could look at Doge after we look at YFI. Robopotamus, yeah, we could take a look at that, man. Okay, so I would have liked to come up a little bit higher, but what makes the bottom nice is when we change market structure, right? So we made ourselves a low, a high, a lower low. We want to see a higher high, and we'd like to see it come above the last lower high in the downtrend. This is a little bit fuzzy. It's hard to say where that swing high was, right? We would have liked to see it come up and reject from this daily order block. It would have been a very clean high. Bam, bam, but we didn't get that. So if we're going to be able to long YFI, if we're going to get a retest here, this is going to be our trade. Hang on. Not this. Not this. No. This. That's going to be our trade. And we want to just basically just see that continued momentum on market Cipher. And if we go down to the 4 hour, oh yeah, we could see bullish divergences on the 4 hour when we come down to there. That would be amazing. We do something like this. That would be really nice. That would be really nice if we got that, okay? Yeah. 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 Now I'm saying, look, I would have rather put in a little bit of a higher high here, but we're working with what we got. This would be what I would look for. This is exactly what I would look for on Wi-Fi. All right. Shout out to everyone in the chat, man. You guys are amazing. 700 people watching on a day when Bitcoin's literally doing nothing. You guys are amazing. God bless you all. All right. Let's check out Doge. Let's check out Doge. How's Bitcoin looking? Let's see. It's looking the same. Nothing. Really? Doge has only been on Coinbase for that long? Hang on. Okay. All right. I mean, Doge, when it pumps, it's gonna pump like crazy. Interesting. The reason I say when Doge pumps it's going to pump like crazy is because this chart looks like crap, right? It looks like crap. So there's really no clear zones of resistance for it to hit. It'll probably go up to $1. Now, as we're accumulating here, the weekly time frame is starting to look a little bullish. No divergences really, except for this one here, which resulted in a big pump to the upside. Now we've been getting a retrace. The problem I've always had with Doge is that the charts are impossible to do TA on, right? This chart is impossible to do TA on. Like, where could you look at this chart and say there's a good entry? You know what I'm saying? Like, where? I don't know. That's the problem that I always have had with Doge. That's why I've always missed out on the gains, right? The only people I know who have made gains on Doge, they just gambled on it in a smart way and made a lot of gains, right? While it was pumping, they said, you know what? While the train's moving, I'm gonna get on here, right? Everyone I knew who made most of their gains on Doge, they did it in these little pullbacks. This is a much longer pullback here. I don't know. I'll be honest with you. Look, I don't know, right? I feel free to tell you guys when I see a good opportunity with this thing. I don't know. But if history repeats itself, when everyone's least expecting it, Doge is going to pump. All the crypto YouTubers that don't know TA but still make crypto content are going to have a lot to talk about that day. There's going to be some reason in the news. Maybe Elon Musk did something different now. But when's that going to be? I don't know. I'll tell you, it's going to be a day before all the YouTube videos come out talking about how Doge is pumping. So, other than that, I have no idea. I'm sorry, Cryptopotamus. I'm unable to answer your question. Shout out to CW. All right. How many eggs did I eat today? Only 8. Guys, I only ate 8 eggs today. So far. Might have another 4 later on, you know. Shout out to Stephen Beckstead. My thoughts on Volt Inu. Never heard of it, CW. All right, shout out to Honda Man. He wants to take a look at PP coin. We can take a look at PP. But let's take a look at Volt Inu real quick since we're on meme coins. Oh my goodness. I don't know, man. I'm a TA guy, so this is like gamble zone. I don't know. There's no way we can analyze this chart, man. I'm sorry. There's just no way. Hey, I would say this. It's so dang cheap. It's so dang cheap. Okay? That, look at this. All right? Not financial advice, but I might do this myself. Where can I get this thing? Where can I get this coin? Bittrex? That's the only thing? Dang. I don't have Bittrex. This is so dang cheap, all right? If you put $100 into it and it goes back to its high, you're gonna double your money. So what the heck do you have to lose? If this thing ever goes to a significant price, right? If this ever goes to a significant price, like it's so dang cheap, right? So, you know, these are the kind of coins where if you have any kind of hope in this thing, right? If you have any kind of hope in this thing, right? Let's say it goes up to 0.0001 cents. Well, you just made 14,000%. So if you have $1,000 that you say, you know what, if this $1,000 went away tomorrow, I don't give a crap. But I have a feeling that this Voltinu coin might pump. Well, hey, like my good friend Mike from the Poconos told me, sometimes, Jason, you just gotta roll the dice. And he was right. Because the situation that he told me that for turned out to be a really dang good situation. I rolled the dang dice. And here I am 9 years later, married to my beautiful wife with a beautiful family. So, who knows, man? Maybe this is the equivalent of finding a good woman and settling down. A little Voltinu. Shout out to my man Honda, man. He wants to look at PP coin. Yeah, we'll take a look. All right, so the old pepperoni and cheese. The old pepperoni and cheese pizza coin over here has gotten a move back down to the 382. Are we on log? Yeah, we're on log. Gotten a move back down to the 382 here. All right, let's go down to the 4 hour. Well, you know what, guys? I have to be honest when I say, in an extremely bullish trend, the breakout of a bull flag usually happens at the 382, and that's exactly what we have right here. We've gotten a bounce. We've kind of grabbed the liquidity from the low of the range. And if this is a bull flag, let's see here. If this is a bull flag, that's going to put us up pretty high from here. That's going to put us back to our major area of resistance. So, because we're bouncing from the 382, I don't know, like, we haven't broken out yet. I would say maybe, because we're bouncing from the 382, this is like a high risk, low time frame entry here. But man, I don't know, guys. This is some high risk stuff. If you want to take a gamble on this coin, maybe coming back down to these lows around 1466. If we're really going to break this after a bounce from 382, retrace to the golden pocket, and then get a move up. The 4 hour time frame is printing a nice bottom, but no divergences on the 4. Let's go down to the 1. No divergences on the 1 either, guys. This would be some high risk stuff, right? Let's go to our 24 minute. 24 minute looked beautiful on that bounce. Actually, not really. The money flow wasn't in alignment. Now, it did have a divergence, but money flow not in alignment. So a high risk entry, guys, would be from the golden pocket. High risk, high risk. If you see something you like down here at 1450, support resistance flip, very key. If we're going to come much lower, well, then I think it becomes abundantly clear that we would look for a big drop, right? Because fast move up equals fast move down. And in that case, let's see, where's PP coin going to bring us? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe around 1111-ish. This is a little bit more difficult. But yeah, a risky entry would definitely be at 1450, that golden pocket. Because the hypothesis for a long from 1450, right? Every trade needs to have a plan, right? You have an idea, bam, execution, bam. Long from the bottom. Shout out to everybody in the Casper crew. By the way, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell, because we're bringing the juiciest Bitcoin updates here on YouTube. The hypothesis, the idea behind this potential long is that this is a significant bottom from the 382 of a legit bull flag, and now we're looking to long a retest for the breakout, right? We're looking for the W pattern. We're looking for the high or low, right? That's what we're looking at. So let's wait and see how that plays out, okay? Would I ever do a stream about fitness? I don't know. This isn't the right channel for it, you know? But what do I know about fitness anyway? What's the best way to gain weight? You have to eat more calories than your body burns, man. And that's a very complex thing to figure out, right? Have I heard about cult? I have not. Don't go before a giveaway. Well, I'm sorry, Nikhil, but bro, we only have 749 people in here, and whatever bot people are using to get so many likes, I don't know if that's legit, man. You know, I don't know if that's legit. But one of these days, we're gonna have a natural giveaway. My last giveaway was unnatural. My last giveaway was on trend. How many miles have I done during the stream? 2. Almost 3, actually. Wow, that's crazy. The exact treadmill I'm using. Would I ever make a homestead channel? BitBoy said possible insolvent of MEXC. Crap, I have to check that out. Look, am I concerned? No. I'm not concerned. Nothing concerns me anymore, guys. Come on. Everything's so risky. Everything's so risky. When am I going to bring back the Pikachu hat? Soon. It's somewhere around here. It's somewhere around here. Guys, I'm sorry. I can't do a giveaway today, all right? We can't cheat on the giveaways, guys. You guys know I give away, but we can't get double the likes of people in here. That's not legit. That's not legit. All right, so whoever did that, don't do that again. What gear am I taking? Nothing too crazy. Every morning I inject Tren, and every night I inject Clen, and lots of testosterone. Other than that, nothing really. Some HGH, a little synthol here and there. That's how I got my lips so voluptuous. Crypto Face is going to be on BitBoy. Interesting. I don't know, Matthew. I'm currently not using PHEMEX. Currently not using PHEMEX. Do I have a gun? I've got two guns. Yeah, just here's Barry the Rave. Barry the Rave, yeah, Barry the Rave. He knows I'm on steroids. He always calls me out for it. Eat clean and trend hard. That's right, man. That is right. Can we look at AVAX? We can look at AVAX. We can take a look at AVAX. How much growth hormone a day? As much as possible, you know? Because the purpose of life is to take as much growth hormone as possible. Do I still use the bot? I'm currently on a bot hiatus, guys. I'm waiting until it's available on Bitget. I really hope MEXC is non-solvent as well. Because I have a decent amount of money on the exchange right now. I'm still upset about ByBit and Bitget, but I really enjoy the fees on MEXC. But I don't know. There's always FUD out there. If FTX can go down, any exchange can go down. You know what I'm saying? How long have I been trading? Well, I've been trading basically since 2016, but not seriously since 2018. Yeah, I would be really bummed out if MEXC went under. That would really bum me out. Yeah, so Wake the Sheeple says, options expiry tomorrow, Bitcoin may dump. That's true. Shout out to Crypto Pollo. Crypto Pollo, man, I saw you in Radar Apologetics chat, man. What's going on, bro? KuCoin now requires KYC? Requires KYC? Is chicken or eggs a better bang for your buck when bulking? I would say eggs, man. But, like, look, you guys, I gotta understand, like, if you're trying to gain weight, it's about eating more calories than you burn, right? So, eggs have more calories. Eggs are more sustainable, right? If you have 6 hens, right? You can have 6 eggs a day until those hens die, or you can have 1 chicken a day for a week. I'd rather have 6 eggs a day. You know what I'm saying? So I should name the homestead corn-based crypto cowpoke. I should. What happened to ByBit and Bitget? ByBit is requiring KYC in order to just trade at all. Like you can't trade on ByBit unless you KYC, even if you use a VPN. So, whoa, that's not good. President Biden says he's going to make the tax system fair by eliminating loopholes for crypto traders. That's not good. It's not good for us. Why not trade on index? Yeah, we're going to have to trade on dexes. We're going to have to trade on dexes. No more leverage on KuCoin. Okay, that's fine. I don't use KuCoin for leverage. I use it to hold my alts. But yeah, that sucks. Shout out to Neo Noir. God bless you, man. God bless all of you guys. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch the stream, even though this is a super boring day for crypto. Except for Bitcoin Cash. Biden has low T. You know who doesn't have low T? RFK, man. That dude is jacked. Did I do the giveaway, Crypto Bear? No, I didn't, man, because somebody got a bot. Somebody got a bot to give us 1,700 likes. So that's not good. That's not a good thing. Whoever did that, you literally ruined it for everybody. Come on, don't do that. Don't do that. The reason why I can't do the giveaway is because if I did, then I have to set a precedent that if somebody gets a bot to give me 2,000 likes, I have to do the giveaway, and that's not fair. Come on, that's not fair. And it's bad for the algorithm too, man. You guys messing up the algorithm. Algorithms know fake. They know fake. I'm trying to get the algorithm to see I'm legit. Russia said that trading crypto would be equivalent to money laundering. Interesting. All right, let's take a look at Bitcoin real quick again here. This is the 1 hour. Let's take a look at the 24. You know, money flow's looking pretty loyal on the 24. We might come up higher. All right, so Golden Pocket, he says, MEXC FUD has been because they dump on coins. They do have a lot of coins on the exchange, a lot. Yeah, RFK, super jacked, man. You know, I really like RFK. You know, I haven't voted since 2008, but I might vote for RFK, even though I haven't really had faith in the voting system. And I have a lot of views that I'm not going to get into, but yeah, I like it. He says all the right things, let's just put it that way. If he's legit, I really like that guy. All right. Yeah, we could look at some other coins, guys. What should we look at, y'all? What should we look at? Oh crap. I actually have to go, guys. I'm sorry. I have to go. I'm actually late. I'm actually late for an engagement, for a responsibility around the homestead. It's late. Guys, thank you so much for watching. May the Lord bless you all in Jesus' name. Even if you're not religious, I still pray you're super blessed. May the Lord bless you. May He protect you. May He shine light upon you. May He have grace upon you. And may the Lord turn His face towards you and give you peace. And I'll see everybody in the next video. Peace!